We've got a crew here of people. We got Christine, who's an old OG Bunkie lifer, and people from Erin, and Christine's sister.
Hi.
And tell us what happened today.
Well, we were here to look at some bunkies as my sister's looking to get another one, and had the opportunity to look at the shop and walk through and see how they're made. Really impressive, really nice to see all the different styles.
And do you think we made Erin proud by building bunkies here?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Totally.
Absolutely.
It would look so amazing in her backyard to have a bunkie like this. It would look great.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's been 5 years. Any comments or thoughts on the bunkie life journey that has transpired since you got involved? One of the first people to ever buy a bunkie from us, I think.
No, other than I'm wanting to change my whole life towards a bunkie lifestyle as opposed to big house and that. So that's why I'm here, to try and find something that I can be more semi-permanent in.
That's so cool. Awesome. Well, thank you all for coming out today. It was a
Thank you for
pleasure
having
to see you. And
us.
yeah,
Thanks
okay.
for
That's
having us.
great.
Yeah.
Thank
Cheers.
you.